Hello and welcome back to Deck Builders Charlotte. Today's focus: why waterproofing raised decks is a must-have, not a luxury. Water follows gravity. On an elevated structure, even tight boards allow rain through small gaps. That moisture collects on joists, posts, and ledger ends. Over time, it causes rot at connection points and rust in metal hangers. Preventing that damage early is simpler and cheaper than repairing it later. One of the best solutions is a vinyl membrane installed on top of plywood sheathing, sealed at edges. Systems like Duradek bond permanently, creating a walking surface that doubles as a water barrier. Beneath, spaces remain fully dry, perfect for patios, storage, or protecting lower-level entries. If your elevated deck uses standard planks, underdeck drainage systems create a similar shield. Water channels into gutters, leaving the underside safe and dry. At Tuff Deck Builders Charlotte, we treat waterproofing as part of structure, not decoration. Every screw, flashing strip, and seam matters. Our crews measure slope precisely so water flows away, not toward house foundations. Ignoring water protection shortens lifespan drastically. Moisture seeping into screw holes can silently weaken framing even if the surface appears fine. After several seasons, joists soften and railings wobble. It's worth investing in the right system up front. You'll gain protection, longer deck life, and a new sheltered area below. Many homeowners eventually furnish these lower zones as outdoor kitchens or sitting areas since they stay dry. Need guidance? Call 98-998-0872 or visit tuffdeckbuilderscharlotte.com. We'll inspect, waterproof, and leave you with a deck ready for every Charlotte storm.